truck cab is like an office desk for your home. You spend a great deal of time in that space. The same goes for the vehicle you use for daily commuting. I'm Elle Rottinghaus. In this Zips 360 feature of the day, it's the BullSnot product line. For best results, use BullSnot for a complete detailed finish after washing and cleaning any vehicle. For the exterior, greaseable, heavy-duty metal lubricant. Highly concentrated, water-resistant, multi-purpose spray grease for anything that squeaks, sticks, or rusts. Mountable, tire mounting lubricant. Safe for all wheel types, inhibits rust and corrosion, and offers superb friction reduction and tire bead protection during tire assembly for quick mounting and dismounting. Shineable tire butter and conditioner. Instant gloss spray renews tire sidewalls, bumpers, rubber seals, and weather stripping. Illumable aluminum wheel cleaner and polish. Restore a bright, shiny finish to wheels, stainless steel, and chrome, leaving a protective coating. Waxable accelerated detail wax. Safe for all paint types. Showroom shine with little effort that lasts for weeks. No buffing needed. Polishable detail cleaner and polish. Gentle enough to use daily, quick and easy foaming spray to use between waxes. Also protects from UV radiation. For the interior, dashable interior detail cleaner for dashboards, vents, instrument clusters, consoles, and moldings, repelling finger smudges, dirt, and dust. Anti-fog, fast drying, and non-streaking. Hideable leather cleaner and conditioner. Safe for all non-suede leather surfaces. It adds moisture and restores suppleness. Vanishable carpet spot cleaner. Quickly removes both water and oil-based stains. Use as a pre-spot treatment before shampooing. For a nice finish, blastable odor eliminator. Fine mist citrus fragrance. Safe to use on carpet, fabrics, and auto interiors to completely eliminate all odors, including those from pets, smoke, and even vomit. Just spray a little into each vent. Visible glass cleaner. Clean and polish for glass, mirrors, windshields, windows, computer screens, and chrome. Finish with a dry towel. Curable hand balm. Non-greasy, instant relief for severely dry, cracked hands. Before using BullSnot products, always read the warning and instruction labels and wear protection over your eyes and skin. Avoid open flames and other ignition sources while using. When you spend as much money as you do on vehicles, equipment, and accessories, it's important to take care of them so they last as long as possible. Maintain a professional appearance and demonstrate to your customers, coworkers, friends, and peers that you care about maintaining the value of your vehicle. Find the full product line by searching BullSnot or shopping under Auto and Truck Service on Zips.com.